Glaciers. A glacier is a large piece of very dense ice that forms when layers of snow accumulate over many years. Currently, these massive formations, found primarily in polar regions, cover approximately 10% of Earth's land surface. These glaciers were formed during the last ice age, which ended about 12,000 years ago. Approximately 75% of the world's fresh water is currently found in glaciers. Due to their weight and size, the force of gravity pulls glaciers into Earth, causing it to deform. Though this movement is slow, glaciers can significantly alter the surface of the Earth. Glacial erosion forms large depressions, while glacier deposition results in the formation of new landforms. How glaciers form. Glaciers form in regions that get a lot of snow in the winter and are cool in the summer. During winter months, the fresh snow piles on top of existing snow. This phase of glacier formation is called accumulation. During the summer months, the warmer temperatures cause some of the snow to melt, and some of the glacial mass can be lost. This process is called glacial ablation. If the accumulation is greater than the ablation, the glacier will grow. However, if the accumulation is less than the ablation, the glacier will shrink. This process is called glacial retreat. As a glacier grows over the years, its layers become more and more compacted. As fresh snow accumulates on the existing ice, the increase in pressure causes the ice mass to move slowly. The glacier flows both downward and outward due to the pull of gravity. As the glacier moves, it deforms the ground beneath it. The effect of glaciers on Earth's surface. Glacial erosion is the process by which glaciers carry particles of rock and soil from one location to another. The average speed of a glacier is around 1 meter or 3.3 feet per day. Even though it is very slow, glacial movement can cause significant changes to landscape. Glaciers are massive. As they move across Earth's surface, their weight deforms the land beneath them. When glaciers retreat, the surface of the Earth tells the story of the glacier's movement. Glacial erosion can create depressions in the land, such as glaciated valleys and fjords. Glaciated valleys are very deep and typically have U-shaped cross-sections. Similarly, fjords are narrow and deep inlets, but form between two high cliffs when a glaciated valley is submerged by water. In addition to deforming land, glaciers also deposit significant amounts of particles into new locations. This creates new landforms as a glacier retreats. A moraine is one example of a landform called by glacier deposition. A moraine is an accumulation of debris, primarily rocks and dirt, that have been carried and deposited by a glacier. These landforms can be composed of sand-like particles or large boulders. Since large glaciers are massive, their weight presses the underlying landmass down. Once a glacier retreats, this heavy weight is lifted off Earth's surface. This allows the land to rise again in the process called glacial rebound. This is a very slow process that can take tens of thousands of years to complete. Glacial rebound from the last ice age is still going on today.